What's up, everyone? Um, this video is going to be for my good friend Chris Fawcett. I love you, dude. Um, you mean everything to me. He wanted me to film a video of all of my Texas Chainsaw Massacre films. I don't have all of them, but we're gonna start off with the first film. I found this at Edward McKay, where I go to. And I put it in this plastic sleeve here because it looks like it's a fit. I don't know if that is a real signature, but I saw this at Edward McKay, and I was thinking if I don't get it now, I was debating, do I buy it? Because I already had a feeling that if I wouldn't buy it, I would regret not buying it. So I bought it. I don't know if it's a real, I don't know if it is a real signature. Can anyone tell me if that is a actual legit signature? If it, just let me know if this signature is legit and it's not faked or not. But it is the original cover, which I just love the original cover of it. Here's the back of it. I always loved the first Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie. It's always been my favorite. And the inside of it looks like this. Um, Whoever owned this first wrote on the disc there. If you can see that right there. It's kind of annoying, but you know. The disc is kind of got a few little scratches here and there, but that's not really a problem. And this, same thing. And it is signed. You guys can, if you guys want to pause, you can pause this video and read this. You guys let me know if this is a actual legit signature that has not been copied. If somebody didn't just copy that. But like I said, I just keep it in this little plastic here. Next is one of my other personal favorite Texas Chainsaw Massacre films in the franchise, and that is the second film right here. The second movie here is my favorite. I love this movie so much. I don't know how many times I have watched this movie. I love this movie. The actress who played Stretch in here, she came to Carolina Chainsaw Massacre Fest this year. Sadly, I could not go, because they upped the price. The price of tickets is like, they've upped the price of tickets to like 80 or $85 now. When last year they were like 50, and we can't afford that price for tickets, $85 tickets. So I didn't get to go, which is fine because I understand that it costs money to do that, and there's more important things to use money for, like paying bills, getting my medication, my grandma's medication, buying groceries, gas, just really important things. And I understand that. I'm not mad that I didn't get to go. I'm not mad. But anyway, yeah, my favorite one. Some people have different opinions on the second movie here. I personally love it. But of course, the disc is just basic like that. Um, Honestly, I wish that um when they do like when they bring DVDs out and all, I think they should do like really cool, like have a really cool art design and stuff on the front of the DVD. I think that would be really cool. Um, you know. A lot there have been some people, I think it was on my Instagram or whatever, said that, "Oh, you look a little bit like the actress who played Stretch." I don't really think that. I don't really think that I do. I do take that as a compliment because she is an amazing actress. And yeah, but this movie is amazing. Next, we have Leatherface, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. Not really my favorite, but it is still good. I mean, they did like really cool artwork for the third film right there. I do like it though. I bought this at the mall, and I think I ordered this from eBay, I believe, last year, or the year before. Um, Now I don't have the fourth. I don't have every single one of them, so I don't have the fourth one or anything. I do have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning, the unrated, too shocking for theaters. I love this cover. I don't know. I like the cover a lot. I think it's really cool. Yeah, looks like this. In the back of it. And of course, this is the front cover. It's just a side version of it. Back. And the disc, which is really cool. They should, like, with a bunch of different, with a lot of horror movies and just not just horror films, but they should do like cover art on the discs because I think it's really cool. And then we have these things here that come in it. So first we have this. I have seen, of course, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning. I don't think I've never seen the Butterfly Effect too. Please let me know if the Butterfly Effect and then the second one and stuff. Let me know if the movie's any good. I don't really know. Just back. And then right here we have just a lot of this. And then you guys saw this in a video I did, but I'm just going to show it again because it is really cool. And this is from the New Line Platinum series. So it comes out like this. To anyone who is new and you've never seen this, I'm going to show it to you. It does come with some really cool stuff with it, so we will get to that in a minute, but this is what it looks like. Here, I'm going to try to stand up to show this better, if I can. And you have the discs. right here. I'm trying to hold them from not falling out. Right there is disc 1 and then disc 2. I'm gonna fold this up for now. And it comes with this. The sign. I'm trying not to, sorry about the glare, but it comes with like this really cool sign. I will take a picture of the sign and the stuff in this and post pictures of that in the video so you can see it better without a glare being on it. Yeah, it's like a little tin sign, I guess. Yeah. Evidence enclosed. So it comes with this really cool evidence envelope. So you get evidence photos. So we have this one. And this is a chainsaw weapon. So, yeah. I love how they just have all this written down on the back of this. That is super cool. I'm gonna try to get more of a more up closer look of it for you guys right there. It'll focus. And then we have this one. And this is severed human fingers is the description of evidence. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool. And just, you guys can pause this if you want to read all about this. And then we have this. This one I think is pretty freaking sweet. And photo of suspect taken is the description of evidence. Next, we have, this is the mallet right here. And then we have this. Description of evidence. Clot of hair with dried blood. And then it comes with this one, which I love this so much. And the description of evidence is a skeleton doll, eyeglasses, teeth placed on wall. Right here. Then we have this one. Human skeleton rib cage. But yeah, this one is probably my favorite. I would love that as a poster. And then we got this one. Back right there. And it's a discarded men's shoe. It's really cool. I love. Now, I'm hoping to go to Edward McKay Saturday. I have not been. I didn't go any last month, and I haven't been any this month. So I'm hoping to go back next month. Next month to get some more horror DVDs and see what other kind of hidden gems I can find there. Walmart has Walmart has cleared off their shelves of their back to school stuff, and they're getting stuff ready for Halloween, and I cannot wait. I did buy a DVD yesterday at Walmart, and it is the Blu-ray for Scream 4. It was $10. I was wanting to buy the Scream 6 film collection that came out this year, but uh took it to the register, had them to scan it to see how much it was, and it was like, I think like 45, or I believe it was like 49.95 for the 6 film Scream collection thing. It's like $50. So I had them take that off. It was too much money. Too much. I'm really, I think what I want for Christmas is the DVD of Scream 6. I don't have it yet. But yeah. Then another one, I bought this off eBay. Right here. It is so hard for the glare. I will probably take a picture of stuff like this and post and add photos of it in the video here. Sorry, so you don't see a glare. Then, what I like about this is it looks like raw hamburger meat. Sorry for all the vegans. Sorry for all the vegans and vegetarians out there that you had to see this. Sorry about that. I know there's probably a lot of vegetarians and stuff watching my videos probably, and now personally I'm not a vegetarian or anything. But I have nothing against vegetarians, vegans. I have nothing against people like that. That is your choice. It is your choice. If you choose to not eat meat, any kind, that is perfectly fine. I understand. So yeah. But this is what the DVD inside, what the inside of this looks like. And then this is the DVD. So. And then I will pull this out and show you guys a better up-close picture of this. It was inside the case, which this is just the front cover. So you can see it better now. And chapters. The inside of it. I hope a lot of you enjoyed the video I did earlier of me dressed as Michael Myers, showing the Chucky acts from Spirit Halloween. One, it was hard to breathe in that mask, and that was my brother's mask. But yeah, it was kind of hard to breathe in it. But yeah, it was cool. Next is, I picked this up at Edward McKay a couple years ago. It is used. It is really scratched up. But that is the 2-disc Ultimate Edition, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, a Tobe Hooper film. The original restored, remastered, right here. Like the steel book, I guess. It looks like that. You can tell it's like all scratched up, and I'm so sorry. But this is really cool. Let me get this turned around. See, this is how discs should be done. with artwork like this is how discs should be done. You've got, you have the whole Sawyer family right there. Right there. And then this is the bonus disc right there. And then let's take a look at this first. Here. And it came with this right here. Just showing about different ones you can get, different movies. Just in case anybody is looking for different ones, you can check this out. Yeah, I love horror. Been a fan of horror movies ever since I was a kid. Basically, love horror. But yeah, right here. That's all I got right now. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. Sorry. But this video, is dedicated to my friend Chris Fawcett. You guys, go subscribe to Chris Fawcett. I will try to link his channel in the description of this video, so you guys can go watch his videos and subscribe to his channel, like his videos, show him some love. He's a great YouTuber, and yeah, I love you, dude. I'm sorry it took me a while to get this video out. I've just been very busy and dealing with depression and stuff, so yeah. Also check out Stucky and Bud. Awesome YouTubers. I will try to link their channel in the description of this video. Go check them out also. Subscribe to them. Comment, like the video, show them some love. Now, when you go to check out my friend Chris Fawcett's YouTube videos and stuff, don't comment and be rude. Do not comment and be rude, because that stuff is unacceptable. So no bullying, no rude comments. Be very respectful. Just like with anybody else, just be very respectful. But yeah, I love all of you. So happy to be at 518 subscribers. That is awesome. But I love every single one of you guys. Also, has anybody seen the newer Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie? Whatever that is on Netflix. Has anyone checked that out? I checked it out and I was not really a fan of it. That's just me, but I love you guys. Honestly, I got my portable DVD player. I was watching, Silent Hill. This is my favorite Silent Hill movie. Currently in the middle of watching that, finishing it up. Sorry. Excuse me. I had a burp. Sorry about that. But yeah, I love all of you. Um, I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Um, like I've said in a bunch of my other videos, I'm not that good of a YouTuber. To me, my videos are boring, but a lot of you really seem to enjoy my content I make, and some say that they prefer watching my videos over anyone else's. That means the world to me. Um, I absolutely um appreciate that. But yeah, go subscribe to Chris Fawcett and Stucky and Bud. I will try to have their channels in the description so you can go subscribe to them. But yeah, I love every single one of you. Um, I am hoping to get some more videos out by next month, which is September, which I'm not really looking forward to. Um, the reason why I'm not looking forward to September is because September 4th of 2020, my aunt passed away from 4 types of different cancers all at once, and she's been gone 3 years now, and I'm still deeply saddened and still grieving over the loss of her. She was like my best friend. Um, Rest in peace, Teresa. I love you. I miss you every day. Um, I want to do a video dedicated to my aunt who passed. I'm not sure if anybody would really watch a video about that, but I want to do a video dedicated to my aunt. And if I do that video, I'm most likely probably going to be crying. But yeah, this video is already really long, so I'm gonna get out of here. I love you guys, and I hope all of you are having an amazing day or night wherever you're at. Uh, but I will see you guys in my next video, which will be next month, really. But bye.